I know, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I need to get up, go downstairs, put the laundry into the washing machine, and have breakfast. I'm having some rice and some chicken adobo, and I think I'm gonna have some egg with it as well. And basically it's just a relaxing weekend. Last week, work-wise, it's a very busy, but today is another day and we're just gonna enjoy our weekend. Molly is outside, not outside, but walking with daddy. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my weekend and let's have some food together. I start a series in TikTok, Eat With Me, and because TikTok is only giving me 1 minute, 1 minute, isn't it, to film? Is it 1 minute 30 seconds? Anyway, I can't remember. It's not, I feel like it's not enough to have a conversation or to eat. So yeah, so we can eat together. We go downstairs, eat together, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll see you in a bit. Guys, let's start in. So this is the rice that I'm eating from Waitrose. Hashtag not sponsored. Just claiming it. And then the chicken adobo and hot dog. So what you do with this rice, ilalagay mo lang siya sa microwave. Just put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then it's done. So I'm just eating here in the conservatory because I just feel like eating here. Let's eat. It's so good. My orchids are dying. Oh, good. Adobo is one of my favorite food, Filipino. And it's so easy to cook. But there's a lot of ways on how to cook adobo. I think it depends on where you are in the Philippines. People cook adobo really different. Well, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Maybe you were wondering, why is she eating rice? Like if you're not Filipino and you're watching this. And you'll be like, why she's eating rice? It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Well, fun fact, Filipinos, we eat rice, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That is just who we are. Rice is normal. But now that I live here in the UK, I learned not to eat rice a lot. I mean, it's like I can survive without eating rice in a day. If that makes sense. That's so good. Simple but yummy. Right. So good. So before I came here to the UK, every time like my husband will ring me and say, "Did you eat your vegetable?" And I was like, vegetable? I don't really eat vegetable. When I was living in the Philippines. And he was like, "You should eat your carrots and your potatoes and broccoli and other stuff." I'm like, we don't really eat those. We only eat those if you mix the carrots to the pancit or something. And he was like, "You should eat vegetable, it's healthy for you." And I still do not get it until I came here to the UK and I realized that, yeah, that's why he says it, because obviously that's what you eat every single day here in the UK, well, mostly people. And I think he kind of don't understand it before. And now I understand it and he understands it, that we don't really eat vegetable every single day in the Philippines. We eat rice instead. So he get it now and he understands it. And I appreciate why he says that, because obviously that's what they do here. And it's really true, whichever country you go will adapt the living that the life that they live. And now I learn and I appreciate eating vegetables now that I'm here in the UK. So tapos na ako nag-shower. Mag-i-skincare lang ako. Ginamit ko na face wash ay yung Olay. And then magto-toner ako. Olay pa din. Sa mga tao na nag-expect or assuming na kaming mga nasa ibang bansa nakatira, like the same weather as here in the UK, na so confused that kung umuulan, umiinit, bigla na lang mag-snow, we both know na ang mga skin natin ay nako-confuse din. And please do not expect na uuwi kami ng Pinas ang kinis-kinis namin. Kasi hindi kami pumunta dito sa ibang bansa para kuminis, okay? Pag nakatira kayo sa bansa na kagaya ng UK nga, na nako-confuse yung weather, pati skin mo nako-confuse din. Kaya, kahit ako, I gave up na kung ano na lang ginagamit ko. So, I just stick to whatever is available. Itong uli, kailangan kong ubusin. Yeah. Kaya, huwag kayong assuming guys, okay? Dahil, the weather is very wintry. Lalo na pag ang bahay nyo, palaging naka-on ang heater kasi malamig, yung skin mo nagda-dry. And, kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng mga dry skin, yung pimples, acne, blah blah blah. Nung nakatira pa ako sa Pilipinas, ito pala yung gamit ko ulit. Nung nakatira pa ako sa Pilipinas, I have a really really good skin. Yung talagang napaka-smooth ng skin ko. Why? Kasi the weather is ganun lang, mainit, tapos muulan. Hindi gaya dito na talagang naka-confuse yung weather. Gaya nang naka-confuse din yung mga tao kung anong gamitin. So, yun. Kaya sa mga Filipino na nai-stress dahil yung skin nila ang pangit na kasi nga sa weather, don't worry about it. I know it's very like yung confident natin, yung nawawalang yung confident natin, lalo na pag yung skin natin yung nagpi-play up. Ganun ako dati, but you know what? Dumating na talaga ako sa time na dito na ako nakatira. I can't do anything about it. Hindi ko masasabihan ng weather na, hello, excuse me, yung skin ko, you know. Kaya tanggapin na lang natin na ito talaga ang ating skin na problematic. But it doesn't matter. It does matter. It does. But feeling wise, ayoko na mag-worry sa skin ko because there's just no point. Tapos mai-stress ka lang. Yung skin mo mai-stress din. Yung skin mo parang, excuse me, nai-stress na ako. Yung parang ganun. So, alam nyo, yung mga nakikita kong, yung mga magagandang skin talaga na nasa abroad, yung nasa Middle East. Yun yung mga magagandang skin. Siguro kasi, di ba mainit, nasa aircon sila palagi. Eh dito sa Europe, like snow, mainit bigla, humahangin, tapos umuulan. Like hindi mo alam kung ano ang weather bukas. Yung as me living here in the UK, yan yung experience ko na hindi mo talaga alam. Kaya palagi kami, kaya palagi kaming may payong sa aming mga bag. Kasi you never know what's the weather like. Kasi may sarili ding may sarili ding isip tong weather na to eh. Kaya you just have to deal with it. There's no point of stressing it all out. Okay? Guys, I will see you next time on my next video. I'm gonna go downstairs and water my plants. Kasi ang tanim ko ay namamatay na, yung hihimatayin na.